In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a login page in Google Sites for 2025. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can easily build a secure and functional login page. First, we'll head over to Google Forms. You can find this by simply navigating to your Google account and selecting Forms from the Apps section. Once you're there, click on the blank form option to start from scratch. For our login page, it's vital to name your form appropriately, so let's name it Login. Now we need to set up the first question, which should be labeled Password. This will be the field where users enter their passwords. Initially, the question format defaults to multiple choice, which isn't suitable for password entry. Therefore, click on this option and switch it to short answer instead, as this is more appropriate for text input. Next, look for the three-dot menu in the question field and select Response Validation. This feature allows you to set criteria that the password input needs to meet, enhancing security. Make sure to toggle the Required option. By doing this, the form cannot be submitted unless that field is filled in, which is crucial for a login form. Now set the condition to text in Response Validation to ensure text entries, as this fits the typical use of passwords. Type in the correct password that you want to validate against, then add a custom error message. This message will appear if the entered password does not match the one you've set, providing feedback to the user. Before finishing, click on Settings in the top section and then choose Presentation. Here, you can edit the confirmation message. This is the message users will see after successfully logging in, and it should confirm that their login was successful. Once everything looks good, proceed to click Publish to make your form live. Then you'll want to go to your Google site and select the Pages option on the left. To add a new page for the members login, click the plus icon. Name this page accordingly, perhaps as members log in, to keep things clear and organized. Now switch to the Insert tab and choose Forms from the selection options. A list of your forms will appear where you should see the login form you just created. Select this form and click Insert to add it to your newly created login page. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully created a login page on Google Sites using Google Forms. This setup not only provides an easy to use logging mechanism for your users, but also enhances the security of your site. Don't forget to test the login page to ensure everything works as intended. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips. Happy building, and I'll see you in the next video.